If your mountain bike tires are worn out, this complete replacement kit makes the job pretty straightforward. Inside the package, you get 2 folding bike tires, 2 inner tubes, tire levers, and repair patches, so you have everything needed to refresh both wheels without having to buy extra parts. The tread pattern provides good grip for everyday riding. Whether you're riding around town on gravel paths or taking light trails, the tires feel stable and predictable. The included butyl rubber tubes hold air well and use standard Schrader valves, so they're compatible with common bicycle pumps. I also like that the tires are foldable. They're easy to store, easy to transport, and much easier to work with than some stiff traditional tires. Installation was simple with the included tire levers, and having repair patches included is a nice bonus for future maintenance. If you need a affordable replacement set for a 24 or 26-inch bike, this kit gives you the essential parts in one package and gets you back on the road quickly.